If Ed Jones was unsure what joining a two-car Ganassi outfit and partnering IndyCar's best driver in Scott Dixon would entail, he learned quickly on his first day with the team. Standing on the Indianapolis pit wall, Jones didn't get a chance to speak to Dixon. His new teammate was too busy testing for 5 uninterrupted hours without taking his helmet off once. Jones's first day was also the start of a new look area at Ganassi, which had made the decision to scale back from its 4-car lineup to 2, a size that has traditionally brought out the best in one of IndyCar's greatest teams. From Jimmy Vasser and Alex Zanardi to Dixon and Dan Wheldon then Dario Franchitti, Chip Ganassi's team has thrived as a two-hander. It makes the opportunity I got even more rewarding and special that they chose me for the two-car team, said Jones. Because the last time they did it was with Dixon and Franchitti, and in the days that they ran with 2 cars they were so successful.